Hey guys, just a quick video to give you guys an update here, and hopefully you guys are the only one that's ever going to see this video, or subscribers themselves. But I feel like I owe you guys an explanation for what you're going to see on Saturday, because it's going to be me by myself. As of right now, Angela is not going to be a part of this channel anymore. Whether she will in the future or not, I have no idea, but we have decided to take some time apart to try and just figure out our own lives. Having said that, you guys know that Angela and I have both done everything we can to answer every single comment on every single video since we started doing this. That is not going to be the case for this here. I will not address any comments about Angela and I's relationship or Angela in general. If you have something you want to say to Angela, leave that comment down. You can leave a comment for her. I assure you, she's watching the videos and she's reading all of the comments. I am going to continue the channel on my own for as long as I can. Now, as most of you guys know, if you followed us around long enough, you know that we had savings all put away, and then Angela was able to do some online consulting work. Well, now that we have split all of the finances and all of our savings, I don't know how long I'm going to be able to continue here. I'm going to go for as long as I can. If you guys feel like you'd like to try and support the channel to see it continue on, there's multiple ways you can do that. Our Buy Me a Coffee link is always in the description of every single video. If you look down below on your screen right now, here on YouTube, there's a little heart that says thanks. You can make tiny little donations in your own local currency for as little as like 25 cents US, something like that. Finally, to Angela, I am so sorry that I was not able to express my anxiety, my frustrations, my fears, my insecurities in a better way. Nobody deserves to be talked to like that, and that is 100% on me. And finally, I'm sorry that I took what was supposed to be our life dream and made it not fun for you. Whatever happens going forward, I wish you nothing but happiness in life. So I'm signing off here. It's taken me about 7.5 hours to make what's going to amount to a 2-minute video. I'll see you guys on Saturday.